Tina will turn up fire under your nasty leaky dirty clot. Straight on the page. Cause I ain't moving one when me have up there for you. You could have go have me picture. Me did trouble you? Me did trouble you? When you bring the proof when me I follow your daughter and me I troll your daughter over IG. Come me take them down. Me take them down. Why you send woman come over? Make sure it's a careful you go out of business. If you love your picnic, if you hate your daughter, take them down. If you hate your daughter, ramp with my page. And nobody build this, and me build this. The other one, them when me build, me don't even know if I'm going at them. But people help me, and me build this. Take it down. You take it down. Take it down, Tina. Cause you must think say me afraid of you. Take it down, I said. Take them down. Strike them down. And when time, anything where you get, I hope you can take it. Cause you send all of the info. If you want, remember, you know, you tell me, say you throw to check out the woman. If you want bang around with you and the woman son them. You fucker you. Oh, what you think, say you don't come at me. And me. Sit down and make a text. Set anybody else will sit down. Me not partial you. Me not partial you. You fuck till you fuck. You say how much people you fuck with on social media, then say 105. Well, you just meet up in a one when I have no brand where I go neck and neck we don't care. Me never come out here with no Bible underneath my arm and me not throw no word upon nobody. Me come out here come tell us me own me wear dirty girl frock. Me never come out here come speak is spooky. So, you know what you did I get in now. From there, I know me I try to tone it down a little bit. From there, one me come on social media. Me tell you me come with me dirty girl frock and me tell you say, me not afraid for put it on anytime, any given day. Me want to know. And you did not take the warning because you feel like say, you can frighten everybody and you can curse everybody and you can text it and you can tell and you can manipulate everybody. Well, you just meet up on one. When me not afraid and me not care because me not want it. Me not move no video. Me not move no video thinking old Tina. So you can take down the page and you can take it down. But remember, make sure so when you take down the page, make sure so you get to take down your house. Because me go start all over again. A lot of time. A lot of time me will start over. And make sure so you take away the black book. Make sure, say Tina, you take up the black book. And make sure so you take out all of the WhatsApp them. With your victim, the people that must suffer in your hand. Like the woman of California. Make sure so you do that. Because they say me I come back. I mean I come out here come ball. I mean I come out here come sorry. I mean I come out here. Me have my money them in a stars. Go along with it. Me have nearly more than $200 in a stars. I'm not take it yet. Cause you must feel like say, I fear I never afraid. How will you think my band? Where you think my band? Right in a Victoria Jubilee Hospital in the 70s when gunshot a fire. Where you think my band and grow? Where you think my band and grow? In the heart of Kingston 13. I've seen it all. Me know it, Tina. So you would feel like a thinking fountain. Nasty shit pit mouth can't frighten me. Tina, let me tell you how you fool, where you idiot girl. You are idiot girl. I come for my life. And I post up the kitchen, your top ground there. I post up the kitchen. You stop all part the piece of old dirty thinking car near which part because you hide because your house got. You stop go at Starbucks now a Dunkin' Donut you go. You know say you idiot girl. You know say you a fool. You get up one day say you go to New York. Now McDonald's you go buy for pitney them. And when you go on live you drive off same time. Why you never stand up there and do the life? You don't say you idiot girl. So who you come out here now boy you go strike. Why them a turn up there? Them that turn up there. You think me have no time for go every them a turn up there. Take down the page. Go along with it. But me comment. Go on with the page now, Tina. Cause if you think but make sure say Casely I go come out of business. Cause if me can't depend ya, you and Casely can't out ya. Any me can't depend here. You and Casely can't out here. No blood clot Tina Tina what your name? No Tina Closet can't out here. No dirty nasty stinking rum cake club can't out here. No Tina Chin broke up shop can't out here. Nothing any old Kingston 13 can't there you can't there neither. You should have strike your dirty thinking nasty Coca-Cola that you should have strike. You're bright. You could have my picture over your page. And I come out and I concentrate about strike. Anybody wear boots up your blood clot like tell them for say, tell them you and them come. Would it even tell them for say them I tell you and them for come. But make blood clot sure say anytime you take down this Kingston _13 page, make sure say you and Casely I come off you too. I will away I come off. The whole of blood clot where I come off. Make the people them know your truth. Make them know the truth. Make them know say Dan fuck Casely and breeder you get Dan people them the pick me I want it about you. Make the people them know the truth. Me and your backside out here. So all you put up. Alright, all you put up. You see how you stay? When no well do you for you put up no well picture? When no well do you? When the people them picture where you put up on your page, where them do you? If you think your blood clot bad, take it down. You think me I go run go take down my video for you? Me not take down no blood clot video for you. Anything I want to put up for you, but make sure so you take the phone and take out the picture of them too. Cause I will start over. I will start over. Make sure say you know say Kesley I come out of business too. Kesley I come out of business too. And I got tear, I got diskin Shana. And I go and pack and soap CJ batty wall. Bring it on. You come Tina, come. Come, just try it. Come and try it. You get to with everybody else. But you not get to with me. Death before this Anna with me and you out here. Death before this Anna. You come out here and go on like your mother and take liberty and drag people. Everybody else your mother and she delusional. Well, Tina, you just meet up on the wrong one. Me not have no head. For me head gone. So as what me I tell you, come now waste too much time on you. Me I go get prepared, take down the page, strike it down, and then me and you will take it from there. Kesley, prepare because me coming. Me and you will take it from there. You want Kesley business and business address and everything you offer. You know my caption on off. You sure you want to have that challenge there with me? Me now go send you go think about it, but I would advise you to choose your backer wisely, cause I am no pushover. You just try make your nasty dirty thinking Batman son we are say light and I people them house bunny down. You come, on a run come, pack up and come. You and your minions them, come over and strike. Me not ask you for no strike. Me I beg you for strike. Me I beg you, but remember, I'm Kesley, me I tell you again. Me I one daughter. Me know what she name. Me a one daughter. Me know what she name. And let me start by telling you my daughter no dark skin. So, me know me picnic. Me know me picnic. You are Kesley, mama. You are Kesley, mama. Bring her come. Bring Kesley come. Let me show Kesley how it's done. Bring Kesley, bring CJ and Shana too. And you and them come. And guess what? I'm a one again, Sunu. And come let me show you how it's done. She go comment over pa Ashanti live yesterday in YouTube, and you know say Tina come out trang. As so she say come out trang, she go strike and she go take down because me come out, me no idiot, you know, me no idiot. Ma always, but come out and talk say Dan breed Kesley and Tina take the picnic and give it away. Casely want join up with her and they want gang me out here and them want strike down my page to take down the video. But me nah back down. Your mama love give it down, you can't take it. Take it now. Me never tell your mama to tell no lie for me. I never me introduce your mama to the net over here. Me have all right to defend my picnic them. Me have all right to come after your mama. Dirty nasty stinking Casely, me have all right to come after your dirty nasty stinking lick out batty mama. No can't tap me. So all you know do, go take down the page. Take down the page, take all the stars, go down there, go take it. Take it and take it $200 when I stars to. Take it out. Galang feet, go take it, cause Tina younger more than me. A Casely get $20, go take it and go name some crap. As a matter of fact, you can take the money and go put some gas. Me back down. Me no know when I'm back down. Me no know when I'm back down. I mean, I done no time soon. With your nasty stinkings, I know if you come out here, come cuss. Me never tell you no cuss me. Come out now, come cuss. You why I am. No, you always have trouble people when not trouble you. Look how you should have cuss them, call who big ass, and now you fi come. Want me to you? Why now you don't want come? Come cuss now. Come cuss now. You have all right to come cuss. Come out and come cuss now. Who shut you up? Oh, we had the plan to strike on my page and come cuss? What? Oh, you plan to strike on my page and come cuss? I never seen this before. It could have taken me 1 year to make back one page and come cuss you back. Me I go come. I don't even take no set plan you. I just tell the truth and I expose you. When you used to sit down in your car and do it to other people and cuss and drag and get other people family involved, it is sweet you. So I make it can't sweet you now. Stinking mouth, dirty shit pit mouth girl Tina Chin. Why make it can't sweet you now? Make it sweet you now. You not take no shame out of your yeah. A part with Casely and the picnic bunny, you dirty blood clot you. You not take a turning right here. But I have 2 backup page but I don't even remember how to go in. But it doesn't worry. When it come, it will fix. I'm waiting on Tina to take down this one. I'm waiting on Tina to take down the... Don't let your heart be troubled when Tina can't frighten me. If I did anybody else, Tina can't frighten me. Don't you worry. Don't worry. I will come. This is not a problem out here, you know. Who no make Tina make you get feared. Fear not. Fret not by yourself. I am well prepared. I said, don't you worry. You hear me tell us me I come back? I said, don't worry. Who no tap, who no fretting, and that's why who no make easy on yourself. Tina and in daughter and them feeling Tina and in daughter go come suck out my body hole when time I done shit. Then think and nasty like. Two of them are matey. Tina and Kate they go fuck dog and go and go suck out drunk body hole. You think my blood clot care about Tina and Casey with Dan Breed Casey? I wonder if Casey thinks I'm afraid for go make a blood clot or go open a camera or Instagram page, but me know you. I wonder if you no thinks I'm afraid for go over blood clot Instagram with it. Well, that's the worst thing you can do afraid of Tina. Fear not, fret not. Me there, me there. I wonder if you don't know something we got blood clot go. I want TikTok. Oh no, want my blood clot go over TikTok. I wonder if you don't know something we go over blood clot TikTok. I wonder if you know say me we go over Instagram and carefully over there. When you care for slayer slow when the blood clot thing, because I think somebody send me Instagram near me already. You must think say take you nothing for open one account. You want me go over there? Me not afraid. You want me go over there and me add an picture in the phone. You want me go over there? Who no fuck with me? If you no fuck with me, if Tina, I tell you no, come team up. Team up. Casely, remember me not no brand, you know. Me don't know what your mama tell you, but me I tell you. You want me go over Instagram and TikTok with this dirty disgrace here? You want me go up and over there? Remember over there they swinging now. You want me go over TikTok with it? La, I wonder. You see how they. I wonder if you not think I'm afraid. Tina take a page. Then me go over Ross TikTok with it. Take the page and make me go over TikTok. And make me go on Instagram with it. But me not understand this kind of narcissist thinking that it could come. Contact on the page. I bet you not take it down. Can me have solution. I said I have solution. Any who take it down, me I go on TikTok. Me I build one another and me I go on all three of them. And Casely me I go over there go talk say Dan Brady and Tina give me the picnic. Because they say since you know want to shut me up. That part they burn me. But Casely, you're not different from your mama. Cause so your mama ban you down nearly style for your backside for carry you coming a foreign. That's why because you never there on the filing, that's why the father did have so much trouble you have to name Walters. Come here now to stinking dirty Casely. Come here, you're an adult, me can deal with you. You're no baby. Yeah, I'm near Shirley Duppy. My granny did tell me one time a little bit say. You see you? And you're dead and somebody set fear Duppy upon somebody. Shirley Duppy would have come like fuck it to you. So it a play out now. Yeah. Pass Shirley Duppy. Shirley Duppy now have nothing upon me. So you Casely is a workless, dirty, nasty, stinking drunkard. You mean for tell me, say, your mama stifle your nine gut, carry you up, and your mama make you take that picnic there. And when your mama take that picnic there, you not have the picnic and gateway. Gateway. And because I come out here come chat. You know one gang me out here? Come. Uno come. Come gang me. And you threatening for take down with a strike. Be say if you can't tap me front tax and breed case, you never want you out here. When your mama sit down in a car with a liar or two and people tell them things, she run and say, a lie! Hey, move your dirty blood clot. Laugh now when you hear the party when me say, you make Dan breed Casely, I want to give you the pitney laugh about it, you dirty blood clot, yo. You sacrifice Casely virginity. And you and Casely rap blood clot fist, man. You and Casely a matey. Nasty big stinking dirty Tina Chin and her daughter Casely. Uno come. I said come and take down the page. And until further notice I will be leaving. Have a nice day, people. I'm waiting for Tina to strike down the page. Bless upon yourself.